G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate and welcome to my new listing at 1264 Lyell Highway in Sorell Creek. We've got a beautiful waterfront property, over 2 acres, multiple sheds and the home double brick, 4-bedroom, large open plan living. Let's go in and take a look. This magnificent property has multiple features. Its own boat ramp, jetty, we've got loads of shed space and we've got this beautiful pool to enjoy on beautiful summer days just like today. Front property is really a must-see, so bring your boat, jet ski to book an inspection, or for more information please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week and I'm here to help.